Hey everyone. Clever is new to me, but I have started using it this year and I think it's going to be pretty slick. So just wanted to share a couple quick things. You'll notice if I go to clever.com and then come over here, I can log in as a teacher. As a teacher, we want to log in with Google. Students will log in with Clever. So I'm just going to click here. I'm already logged into my email, so it's going to pull that up for me automatically. Then everyone has their own page. I recommend just clicking on that page and definitely personalize your icon here. When your students go on, your students will see you and your teaching partners. So especially for these younger grades, I think it'd be super easy just to say always click on the bear or always click on the owl. So you probably want to talk to your teaching partner and make sure that you have different icons chosen. You could even upload a picture of your face if you wanted to. Then from there, yours are going to be empty unless you've added things in. So the first thing that I did was I actually made categories. So I went to the add and I went up to category and named math, reading, writing. So I made different categories. So that's where you can see I've got Google, math, reading, just a way of sorting out the different apps and the different sites that I'm going to use. The next thing that I did was I added apps. At first I stuck to mainly the ones that are supported by the district. You can see what the district ones are because they say district on them. Those are the ones that are going to automatically sync, and it makes life super, super easy for you. So to add them, I just went to add and then app, and then you can search for different ones. I did Power School because that's how we log into Envision, and then just add Power School. Now that went onto my page down in this newly added section. From here, I can grab it and I can drag it to wherever I want it. If I want it to be in math, I can put it there. If I want it in the Google, I can put it there. Okay, again, I can do add. I want to add another app. And this time I want Google Slides because I didn't do that one yet. So Google Slides is another district one. So I just click on it and say add Google Slides. And again, it will be in my newly added folder down here. So I'm going to drag it to the category that I want it in to make it easier for my students. And you can just move them around. You can name your categories. You can move your categories around with these arrows, however you want. This is how your students will view the page. Then when they click on one of the things, if it says district, when they click on it, it will automatically take them in. So when they click on Writing City, it will log them into their account on Writing City, which is pretty cool. I also added links. So for example, I wanted to do Kahoot. So I added a link and then I typed the link here. So Kahoot.it is what the kids go to play. And I named it Kahoot. And then I just picked one of these pictures. Again, you can upload your own if you want to get fancy. I'll pick the brain and then added the link. Now, down here, I have a link to Kahoot so that now my students don't have to type it. They're already going to be in Clever, and I'll tell them just to click on Kahoot and it'll take them right to that page where they need to enter the game pin. Any other website that you have, you can do that for as well. Discovery Education is already all linked. And Learning A to Z is linked, so it works out really, really well. The ones that are not linked, like Prodigy or Khan Academy or Extra Math, those ones are not linked automatically, so that takes a little more work to figure out. If you want to play with it, try playing with it. Otherwise, hopefully we can talk more once we understand Clever a little bit more, but I wanted to try to keep this somewhat brief. So hopefully you think it's kind of as cool as I do. And I think that's it. So hopefully we can talk soon if you have any questions. Thanks.